Induction, we chose a fast 102mm LSXR composite multi-port intake manifold. It's a great addition for this engine in natural aspirated form and when we add the turbo. It accepts your stock or 102mm big mouth throttle body like this. 39 pound-an-hour injectors are supplied fuel via a set of fast billet fuel rails. Now it's time for the fast electronics. Now the new XFi 2.0 is loaded with new features, like a self-tuning option. Now this version here actually has an internal data logger, 5-bar map sensing, and controls for your power adder or torque converter. Now the cool thing about this is there's several different versions to control everything from daily drivers to pro mods. It begins with the harnesses. The first one is for the injectors. Now it's foolproof since each connection is numbered. The main harness houses several connectors and bare wires that need to be hooked up. Now we'll start with making the connections to the bulk injector connector. Then pay attention to the labels and make the rest of your connections. For spark, 8 MSD coil packs. We needed a header that will let those big heads breathe. JBA ceramic coated long tubes will do the job. On this setup, we won't be able to show you all the things these ECUs can do. We just don't have the time. Now we'll get in depth when we put the turbo on down the road. For now, let's see what this 408 will do natural aspirated. After the break-in and up to temp, we'll take it to 6,000 RPM. It's running smooth, sounds awesome. Best of all, no leaks. 562 horsepower, 538 pound-feet of torque. That's a great start. Let's see what 6,500 RPM will do. 563 horsepower, 541 pound-feet of torque. Still solid. Let's add 1 degree of timing, see where it goes. When we run an engine on a dyno, there's a lot of numbers moving around on this screen. Now we're only looking at 2, which are the most important vitals: oil pressure and air-fuel ratio. Now the big thing is we want to see 10 pounds of oil pressure per every 1,000 RPM. So at about 65 to 6,800 RPM where we're running this engine, we want between 65 and 70 PSI of oil pressure. Now on the air-fuel ratio, if we see that going lean during a run, we stop and add fuel. If you don't take care of that, you're going to kill an engine. Now speaking of 6,800, let's make a pull.